Welcome back. Well, today I am joined by Lisa Montadore, who is here on behalf of Aetna. Now, Lisa, welcome to the show. How are you?
I'm great, and thank you so much, Lisa, for having me. I'm happy to be here with you and the viewers.
You're welcome. And you know, it's a just at the last minute here where we're doing open enrollment, and I know you have some things that you want to tell our residents about. So, for instance, you know, first of all, you're the local representative, right?
Correct. I'm the broker manager for Orange County, yes.
Perfect, perfect. So if they were to have any questions, you would be their contact, which we will share with them later.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Now let's go ahead and tell me a little bit about Aetna and the plan that they do have.
Sure. We're really excited to share what we have for 2021. And before we do that, some things that I think some people may or may not know, but I think is kind of interesting. You know, we've been in business for over 165 years in the insurance business. We paid the very first Medicare claim in 1966. And we are a national company, a nationwide company. We insure over 1.5 million Medicare Advantage members. And we're also proud to talk about the 4-star out of 5-star rating PPO plan that we have for 2021. And then we also have one new product for 2021 as well, called our MA Only Eagle plan. It's great for veterans. It's a plan that is similar to our Plus plan in the features that we have, like dental allowance and an open access dental network, acupuncture, chiropractic care, transportation, over-the-counter allowance. It has so many bells and whistles to it. So we're really proud to announce that for 2021. Today we'll talk about the Medicare Advantage plans, two of them, the HMO Plus plan and the PPO Choice plan. They both include prescription drug coverage, of course, along with medical and hospital coverage. And sometimes these plans are referred to as Part C plans. And these two plans, again, the HMO Plus plan and the PPO Choice plan, they cover A, Part B, and Part D, all in one plan. And then, of course, we'll talk about the MA Only Eagle plan too. That one covers medical and hospital coverage without prescription drug coverage.
Oh, okay. Okay, great. Well, let's go ahead and just briefly look at the PPO.
Okay, yeah. So the PPO, which stands for Preferred Provider Organization, you can see providers all across the United States as long as they accept Medicare. Providers are either in or out of network. And of course, if you stay in network, the care is often at a lower cost. Okay. So with a PPO plan, as I mentioned, it allows you freedom. It allows you freedom to see doctors that are in or out of network all across the United States. In fact, we have most states, we cover providers in network across most of the states. And it's only an $89 monthly premium, so predictable co-pays and for your medical care. So it's a great option for those who want freedom and also to have predictable costs. And of course, we offer worldwide emergency coverage and urgent care coverage on this plan as well. It also has a dental allowance. It also has, again, like we talked about earlier, the prescription drug coverage and a limit on what you would pay in covered medical costs in a calendar year.
Okay. All right, great. And then you also have an HMO.
Yes. HMO stands for Health Maintenance Organization. And usually you'll use doctors in a network, and many times you'll need a referral to a specialist in that network. But again, the HMO plans, the HMO Plus plan, and actually the MA Only Eagle plan, both are HMO plans. They offer, like you talked about, acupuncture and chiropractic care at zero copay. Dental allowances on the HMO Plus plan, we have a $2,000 dental allowance. And on the MA Only Eagle plan, a $2,000 dental allowance. That is huge. Also, hearing aid benefit on the HMO Plus plan, we have a $1,250 per year hearing aid allowance. And on the MA Only Eagle plan, it's actually $2,500 per year of a hearing aid allowance. And then, of course, we've got over-the-counter benefits as well. We have $75 on the HMO Plus plan, and on the Eagle plan, $105 for each quarter. And then both plans also offer a personal emergency response system, the I've fallen and I can't get up alert, and it offers GPS tracking at a zero copay.
So you said you also have an HMO Plus plan and then your MA Only. So why don't you tell me what those are?
Yeah, so the MA Only plan, That's, we call it our Eagle plan, and it does not include prescription drug coverage. Typically, because we call it the Veterans Plan, because somebody that's signing up has most likely their Part D coverage through the prescription drug coverage through the VA. So they usually want to sign up for this plan to have access to our health network, and also because of all those extras that we were just talking about. So that's a really strong plan. It's new for 2021. We're very proud of that one as well.
So some of the folks that you are associated with, specifically around here, like Memorial Care, and you've got a variety of others. Let's talk about some of those.
Yes, we've got a great network of providers. We have Monarch Healthcare, Memorial Care, Optum Healthcare, Regal Medical Group, and Prospect Medical Group, all part of our HMO network.
Okay.
And then on the PPO side of things, it's a little different. We have a national network, which is, again, one of the things that's so enticing for that plan. When people want that freedom to go see providers, it's not just limited to California on the PPO plan. We've got over 850,000 providers across the nation.
Okay.
Plan. So it really does offer quite a bit of freedom at an $89 monthly premium.
And then what are some other highlights of your plan that you guys have?
Well, our plans include Silver Sneakers, which is a fitness benefit, and health and wellness programs that can meet everybody's individual health goals. Again, the plans offer dental allowances as well. We also have something called Resources for Living, which is a program that connects the member to community-based programs. So perhaps somebody needs somebody to come to the house to pet sit, or to do some housekeeping, or to mow the lawn, or anything that that they might need. They can call the Resources for Living. It's a program that we offer that connects them to local programs in the community around them.
Oh, that's a nice resource.
Yeah.
Yeah, you never can have too many resources, I think, and that's really great that you provide that for them, because that you just never know when you're going to need something, especially now with COVID, and it's a lot of changes going on. So if somebody wanted to learn more about your program, where would they go?
Well, they could go online to aetnamedicare.com, or they can call me. I know you're going to put my phone number up, and I'm happy to connect them to a licensed representative as well if they wanted to talk further, whether it be on the phone or schedule a time to meet. Or we do have a couple online seminars coming up as well.
Oh yeah, that's right. Now you've got, why don't you tell me the dates of those? And I do have the slide up there that they can go to aetnamedicare.com/seminar to find out about these seminars, but let's go ahead and let them know what the dates are.
Yes, we have, the next one is December 2nd at 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. and then December 4th from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m.
Oh, and those are online seminars, correct?
They are, yes.
Okay. So once they got in touch with you, would you be providing them a link to be able to get on?
Yes, I could do that. We can get them a link.
Perfect. Well, is there anything else that you would like to let us know about the plan?
You know, we're just really proud because we do have, like I said, the PPO plan with a 4 out of 5 star rating with this national network is great. The new MA only Eagle plan, just being a veterans plan. We know there are a lot of veterans here in the area, so I know that that'll be a great value for people. And that plus plan, the HMO plus plan, just loaded with so many extra bells and whistles, like the dental allowance and vision and hearing and transportation and OTC. So just, I appreciate you having me on today's webinar, and I think that's it. Unless you had any other questions, I'm just happy that we were able to cover what we did.
No, I think you did. You did a great job of covering all of the plans, and it sounds great, especially with that additional coverage as well as your additional resources that you have. So thank you so much. It was very nice to meet you, and you stay healthy, and we'll see you again.
Thank you so much, Lisa. You too.
All right. And we'll be right back after this.